Hello everyone, welcome back to the part 5 of SQL. In this you are going to see the check constraint, what is meant by check constraint. We use this check constraint when we want to check the condition. In this I have created a table water. In this the age should be greater than 18 if you want to cast a vote. So after writing the name of the column and data type, just write check and open the brackets and write your condition in this. Similar to if-else statements in C or Java programming languages. Here I have created a table water. Here I didn't give the check constraint. I have just inserted the value where age is 17. But 17 years old is not eligible for voting, but the table takes the value. So in these cases we use the check constraint where we write check age should be greater than 18 and maximum age should be 100. Let's give that also, age less than 100. Now the table is created and try to insert these values into the voter table. See, check constraint violated. It means the age is not greater than 18, so I'm not taking this data into the table. So let's change it to 19 and let's enter. Then the value will be taken into the table. Let's refresh this and you're going to get 19. The reason I'm not creating and inserting the values into the table, the reason I'm writing it beforehand is that the video length will be short so that you can practice by your own.